Good morning, children. How are you? Hope everybody's fine. And let's begin our class. We'll be continuing with sentences. I told you there are different kinds of sentences. There are different types of sentences. Yes, which are they? Yesterday in our previous class we had done. We have assertive sentences, which are simple sentences. Assertive sentences, which are simple sentences, and they are divided into two: affirmative and negative. Yes, affirmative and negative. Affirmative are positive sentences and negative are with using not. Alright, assertive sentences are simple sentences. He is a doctor. He is not a doctor. So he is a doctor is affirmative sentence. He is not a doctor is negative sentence. And both of these are assertive sentences because they are simple sentences. Yes. Second, we have interrogative sentence. What did I tell you? Interrogative means to ask question. When you are asking a question. So all the sentences which are in question form, starting with WH words, who, what, where, which, when, all and how also. All these are interrogative sentences. जहाँ question पूछते हैं and where it starts with a capital letter, ends with a question mark. Everybody till here we are done. Remember. Now we have imperative sentence, or before imperative I'll take exclamatory because it's easier, and then I'll go onwards. Okay. Exclamatory sentence are what? Exclamation. Exclamation means to show feelings. अच्छा, जब आप अपना को जो भी फीलिंग है वो एक्सप्रेस करते हैं, जैसे वाओ, ओफो, यस, और अरे, ब्रावो, hooray. So all these words are exclamatory words. Okay, जहां आपकी feelings आप बता रहे हैं. So where the words, the sentences where you show your feelings, then those are called exclamatory sentence, and they always have a exclamation mark. Exclamation mark क्या होता है? A line with a full stop at the end. So that is called exclamatory mark, and it is used in the end of an exclamatory sentence, like wow, what a beautiful day. So here you're showing you're feeling कितना अच्छा दिन है, right? So that is called exclamatory sentence. Or if alas, now the word alas, remember alas is used for when you are sad. You're feeling sad, that time you use the word alas. Alas is not used for happiness. Okay, alas, he finished his work, or he could not finish work. So there you use exclamation, and it is used as when you are feeling sad. Hooray, we won the match. So that is you're feeling happy, right? So there also all these are exclamatory sentences. Understood, everybody? Okay, after exclamatory sentence, we have imperative sentence. And what are imperative sentences? Imperative sentences are sentences which show command, order, request. Okay, all these which, or someone is someone is congratulating you. Yes, so all these are imperative sentences. Okay, so for example, if I say please give me a glass of water, so it is you are requesting someone, yes, to give, because the word please comes, so that is imperative sentence. If a teacher says shut the door or keep quiet, so that is order, command. Yes, so when someone is given that sentence is also it comes under imperative sentence. Okay, so so all these are, so you have request, you have command, you have order. So all these are imperative sentences. Okay, now apart from this, then last we have optative. Now optative, actually we sometimes we use starting we use in imperative, but then we have a different one which is optative. Now optative sentence are sentences where you wish or pray. Okay, so these two things come, like wish means good morning. Yes, good morning ma'am. So he said good morning, so good morning is wish. Alright, or if I say may God bless you. Yes, someone is blessing you, and they are praying for you, may God bless you. So that is optative. Did you all understand? Alright, so we have assertive, that is a simple sentence. It is divided to two, affirmative and negative. Affirmative is positive sentence, negative is use of not. Then you have interrogative sentence, that is a question. Any sentence which is in form of question form, it is called interrogative sentence. Then you have exclamatory, where you show your feelings. Yes, where it will be ending with an exclamation mark. Alright, so everybody can see this exclamation mark. Yes, so this is exclamatory sentence. What is imperative? Imperative shows request, command, order. So all these are imperative sentence. Okay, like I already gave you example of it. I am keeping on repeating imperative because I don't want you to get confused in that. Alright, so please don't call me today. So this is, you're requesting someone not to call. So that is imperative sentence. Okay, or go to your room, that's an order or a command. So that is imperative. Okay, and what is last? Optative, where it shows wish or it shows prayer, like may God bless you, or may you have a long life. So this is what is this? It is a prayer, a wish for you, which give someone is blessing you. So that is optative. Everybody understood? I hope you all understood these all the types of sentences. Yes, we have 5 kinds of sentences, and I hope you all know this very well, because I will be giving you exercise related to this. You should you have to identify the sentences, whether it is assertive, interrogative, and all these things. You should know all the 5 properly. Okay, so we'll stop till here, and in my next class we'll be doing phrases and we'll finish it. Okay, I'll be sending you the answers of the exercise. I told you to do exercise E. I had given you as homework, so I'll send you the answers. I think I must have sent you the answers. Just check it. Alright, and please in your workbook, please write with pencil. Nobody will use pen. Alright, remember that. Alright, with this, today's class is over. Thank you very much.